Embark on an unforgettable adventure in Brisbane at Scape Regent student accommodation, where dreams seamlessly merge with reality. Offering an extensive array of non-ensuite, ensuite, and studio apartments, each meticulously designed to provide not only comfort but sheer delight throughout your stay. Each room here comes well furnished with a comfortable bed, openable windows, personal study area, ample storage space, temperature control panel, along with a shared flat-screen TV for entertainment. Moreover, the Scape Regent community serves as a bustling hub of social events and networking opportunities, enriching your university experience alongside your accommodation. Located just a short drive from the University of Queensland and the Queensland University of Technology campus, this place isn't just accommodation, it's your VIP pass to the coolest student life. Plus, the location is a goldmine. Restaurants and pubs like the Mixed Bar, Prohibition, or Retro's Brisbane are your gastronomic playground. Not to forget popular tourist attractions from Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary to the Queensland Art Gallery. There's something for every explorer. With all you need right at your doorstep, get ready for student life that's more than just books. Book your dream home at amberstudent.com today.